All right, for the Turkish Get-Up, we're going to slow this down and take you through step by step. So at first, you're starting with that arm straight in the air. The goal is to keep that weight up above you with your arm straight the entire time. Whatever arm is in the air, that same side knee is going to bend. From there, you're going to push yourself onto your elbow, extending that arm still straight in the air. Then you're going to push yourself onto your hand. Once you're on your hand, you're going to be pushing your hips up in the air, so you're kind of flat like a board. Then you're going to be bringing your leg through the opening between your hand and your other foot. Once it's there, you're kind of in this side triangle type posture. You're going to then upright yourself by swiveling your legs so that both feet are pointed front to back. And now you're in a lunge position. Again, your arm is still straight overhead, core tight the entire time. From here, you're just going to stand up. To go back down, you're doing the exact same thing in reverse. We're starting with that backwards lunge. Once you're down on the ground, you're going to swivel your leg so that you can get your hand on the ground. Now you're in that inverted triangle again. Once you're there, you're going to kick that leg through. Then set your butt down, going down on your elbow, and then all the way back down on your back. All right, and here it is again, just so you can see it in regular time.